Yeah, well, hello people. Sai is back with another video. In this video, it's going to be an epic base exchange versus an rank 90 guy. But that guy was Imba. I respect him. He's a very good player. Let's go on with the container collection part. Okay, I collected containers. I put my assault in hide mode so that they won't miss their path during the container collection. I built a shipyard. I was going HQ level 3. Okay, naval production boost to increase the rate of my delta getting out of my shipyard. I got 2 containers from the sea. Fair, he's good. He was really fast and I respect him, bro. But if he was rank 21, he could have beat me easily. He was a imba enemy. Like he got like 10 medals and 90% win rate. Okay, let's go on with the fight. I was being annoying with my deltas. I was buying time for myself to go HQ level 4. Okay, he managed to destroy all my deltas. Okay, let's go. And I'm building vertex now. I'm being annoyed with my vertex. Okay, that guy was also going Avia. Okay, I tried to destroy his airfield with my vertex, microing my vertex. Okay, let's see if I manage to destroy that airfield. Okay, yes, microing is Cayman really well, and he like my platform is maxed out, but he managed to miss those fires. Okay, he's rebuilding his airfield. Okay, now one porcupine is out, so I'll retreat. I don't wanna like get my vertex killed. Okay, now I'm being annoying and destroying those defenses from his where those flight recorders are being deployed. Okay, I am going HQ level 4 and I'll go for Shield, Zeus and Thors. Let's see what will happen, guys. Okay, I'm being really annoying here. Okay, there it goes. I am building some like typhoons to defend myself from his Avia. Okay, and I am building my Avia factory to level 3 so that I can produce Thors. And when I scouted his space, I saw he's also going for HQ level 4. I am sure he'll go for Albatross and Chameleon army. Okay, I have one Zeus out and one Thor out. Okay, like now it's 2 Zeus. I'm slowly building up my Zeus count. He played really well, guys, like really well. He was the toughest enemy that I faced in this tournament. Like I respect him. Bro, you are Imba. Okay, I'm going with my Thors and bombing his airfield. Okay, let's see what will happen. 2 Thors don't need to destroy his airfield. That airfield is maxed out and he probably must be on air raid boost. Now I'll fish those hawks with my vertex. Come on, hit it. Yeah, 2 hawks down. 2 vertex. Imba vertex. Okay, I built 2 vehicle factories. He's going more on land army, so if I need to contest him, I need more Zeus on land. Okay, here it goes. I'm going for another bombing run. Thors are Imba, guys. Those are really Imba. I want to go rank 23 and I destroyed that level 3 Avia factory. Really nice. So no more Albatross for you, my friend. Okay, I'm positioning my Zeus in a better manner here so that I can counter the JCP army. I'm taking my 4th Thor out of my Avia factory. He defended his show with alligators and that was an extra anti-air for him. That was really annoying for me. I missed that bombing run very badly. Oof, poor me. Another Thor is out. Okay, I'm building more naval platforms here so that I can defend myself from alligators. So he tried to scout me with my one hawk. That hawk is dead. Now he's coming with his alligators. Okay, but I have like 5 platforms here. That won't work, bro. You have to retreat. Okay, I'm going with my Thors again. Another bombing one. Oh, but I nearly destroyed that shipyard. Now I'll go with my vertex. Come on, kill it, man, kill it. Yeah, here it goes. That shipyard is down, and he's coming with this JCB army to take that like flight recorder there. Okay, I bombed there. It was a nice hit. And when he saw I'm moving with my ground army, he retreated. Okay, it was a really action fight, action everywhere, guys. Like he's moving with his ground army. I'm moving with those. Like everywhere, he's moving with alligators. Oh my god. Okay, let's go. And I'm moving with my toes again for a bombing round there. And bam! Destroyed his airfield and nearly destroyed his level 3 factory. I need one. If I had one more toe, then it would have been a very good trade. But I lost 3 toes there. Like, no, 2 toes there. So he's coming with my hawk there. But I have a lot of handy there. Like 4 platforms and a good amount of handy. And let's see what will happen. And I'm going with another bombing run. And I missed that bombing run. He moved his army. Clever guy. Nice guy. He's from Vietnam HD and that guy has about 10 medals. Okay, now I'm engaging the JCP army here. He's in a better position there. Okay, I try to bomb. Oh, that's a decent hit. And my Zeus, can my Zeus win here? But I don't think so. He's in a better position. So I need to retreat. Come on, save yourself, man. Come on, retreat. Another bombing run. Okay, I hit them. Not bad. Okay, he had like 10 Jaguars there and I only have 3 Zeus. Oh my god. Will I die, guys? I don't know. Okay, another bombing run. And bang! Another hit. Good hit. And he's coming in hard. And I had like 2 Zeus there. Come on, Zeus, kill them. And he just managed to destroy my 3 shield generators there. Very good for him. Now my Zeus will clean it up. His Jaguars are badly bruised up. I put on a common production boost there so that I can produce my army more fastly. I am retreating my Typhoons from there so that I need more anti-air in my base. Now I am going for another bombing run. Come on my Thors. Kill them. Okay. I missed that bombing run and I lost one Thor there. Very bad trade for me. Now I'll engage and force fire with my best. Come on, kill them. Okay, I'm force firing here. I'm force firing where the chameleon is. After killing the chameleon, I'll go for the Jaguars. Okay. Chameleon is dead. Now my Zeus will rain rampage on him. Okay. Now run Jaguars, run. I put on a common production boost there so that I'll have more army. Okay. He tried to scout me with one hawk there. And that was a really nice scout. And you see what will happen. Okay, he had like two hawks there, but 2 hawks won't cut versus me. I'm going for another bombing run. And yeah, oh no. I couldn't destroy his factory. Oh, tough armor, man, tough armor. My Thors are maxed out for rank 21, guys, and they couldn't destroy his factory. Imba guy. Okay, now he's retreating with his Jaguars there. And I position my Zeus in a manner that alligators won't kill them in the show when his JCP army are there. He will help himself with alligators. That will be bad for me. Now I'm gonna build Vikings. That will be a surprise for him. I'm going for another bombing run there. I destroy another level 3 factory. Very good trade for me. And I lost one Thor there. That's neat. Another engagement is there. He's engaging with his JCP army. I'm engaging with my Zeus and shield. Okay, let's see what will happen. Okay, I managed to destroy the chameleon, but he had a lot of Jaguars there. Another bombing run. Nice hit side. And okay, let's see what will happen. I'm running out of Zeus here. Come on. Yeah, I managed to destroy the chameleon, but my Zeus are dead. Another bombing run. Nice hit. Okay. Thors win me this game, guys. Thors win me this game. Only Thors. The inevitable Thors. Another bombing run. Okay. I am producing cyclones here so that somehow I could destroy his army. I don't have any Zeus there. So he is moving his Jaguars really well to avoid my bombing runs. Okay, he train on his chameleon. And let's see what will happen. Another bombing run. Okay, I didn't hit them properly. Okay, he's retreating and he's attacking. Good. And here it goes. Bam! Clean hit, guys, clean hit. Managed to destroy all this army. Very nice, very nice. Sai. Okay. I have like 4 5 toes here. This is an Imba battle. And I am slowly building up my Zeus count there. I am going for another bombing run. And let's see what will happen. Again destroys level 3 factory. I am being very annoying here. But that guy played really well. From the beginning I was thinking that he's rank 21. I was really surprised to see him as a rank 19. Imba guy. I am slowly building my Viking counts. I need at least like 6 or 7 Vikings. Okay, another bombing run. Go my minutes, go. And bang. But I didn't kill his special vehicle factory, so he'll have no chameleon still. And the army of him from the middle disappeared. So I had that feeling that he is coming for my base from the corner. Okay, but you know that Zeus and shield bring more damage, so I was ready for an epic base trade here. Okay, now I'm going to engage another JCP army there and force firing. At the start I was a little lazy, but as the game progressed I became more serious. Okay, he had like 6 Jaguars there. I thought of retreating, another bombing run, so hit, managed to destroy some of his units. Okay, and he's in my base. Okay, this is going to be an epic base trade. Okay, that's how it's gonna end. And I am also attacking with my Vikings as well. Sorry for that annoying code, I'm really sorry. And now I'm force firing. Now I'm using my Vikings as a support to the show, and I'm like killing all his ground units with my ground army. Now he's in the back door of my base, and that's really bad for me. I was trying to bomb him, but he managed to escape that Imba guy. But I killed one chameleon there, really good for me. Sorry guys, my throat is not really good. I am having a bad fever. Okay. He's like being a gangster in my base. I am force firing and killed all this chameleon there, and my Vikings are like destroying his show. Okay, I did manage to destroy all his platforms and Vikings, and he'll go for my HQ, so I'll also go for his HQ. Yeah bro, come on man, this is a base exchange man. Let's see who's tough guy here. I am building some assault there to go into the fort. He's building gun towers there. Nice bro. Gun towers will help. Rocket towers won't help versus chameleon. I am building more cyclones there, but his porcupines are strong. Like I am going to destroy his HQ. Bang, that HQ is gone. I am going to destroy that gun tower as well. Okay, another gun tower is being placed. I am going to straight for the gun tower, and I have an HQ, and here I have an HQ. Okay, nice, very nice. But his army are more bruised up than mine. Okay, now I am going straight for his vehicle factory. At the moment he realized that he couldn't like destroy my base before I'll destroy his base, so he's retreating. Okay, he's retreating his army. I knew that he's gonna retreat, but I have like 6 Zeus there. I am building my HQ back so that I can produce more hammers and bang him. Okay, I nearly destroyed almost all his base. Now he's coming back. Let's see what will happen. Zeus shield win. Oh, chameleon jaguars win. Okay, he's positioning his army. Now Usai is gonna force fire. Come on man, kill that chameleon. Yeah, I'm gonna force fire. Yeah, chameleon is dead, and bang, all the units are dead. I didn't lose any Zeus there. And that'll be for this video guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this for Imba Confederation and Resistance gameplay. Subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification to all notifications so that you would miss an upload or stream at my channel. And thank you so much for watching guys, and Sai signing off, and hope you guys have a good battle in your account. Bye.